This will be an overview of the Smart Plus device. Let's start with the on-off switch. The on-off switch is located underneath the horizontal arm. It's a green toggle. You want to toggle that on in the morning. You'll notice that the device overhead will rotate and go through a startup. In the evening, you want to power the device down. Next to the on-off switch is the red emergency stop switch. If there's an issue, you can depress this switch and it will cut power to the overhead. If you rotate the switch, power will be restored. The front of the device is where the touchpad is at. It includes the up and down of the column, Frankfurt horizontal beam positioning, open and close of your temple supports, and finally the ready button. Once you've positioned your patient, click the check mark. On the side of the device is your canine beam. The device also includes your hand switch for the up and down of the column. Next, let's look at our appliances. The Smart Plus device comes with 3 separate bite appliances. Here I have our bite stick. On this side compartment, other appliances are included. We have our shorter edentulous cup and the taller 2-dimensional TMJ and sinus appliance. The bite stick will be used with the tall chin rest, as will your edentulous cup. It just sits down in the device there. Your taller TMJ sinus appliance will be used with the shorter chin rest, which is located on the side compartment. Also within the side compartment are your bite block covers. Go ahead and replace our bite stick, and we can put our appliances back in the side compartment. One other appliance I would like to look at is your model scan platform. Your model scanning platform comes in this case. I'll remove. To install the model scanning platform, we're going to remove our chin rest and add this into the device. We'll go ahead and reinstall our chin rest. Lastly, let's talk cleaning and care. To disinfect the device, you want to use a hydrogen peroxide-based cleaner, and you want to have it on a wipe. You do not want to spray into the device. So have that on a wipe down our areas, let that sit per the manufacturer's recommended time. Let's grab a dry cloth and then wipe off any excess. Finally, I want to talk serial number location. The serial number is located on the lower right of the column and starts with 069. This is important if you do need to call into Vatech, your dental dealer, or if you are talking with our education team. You want to have this number available.